In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot function in Excel. First, start by opening Excel. You can use a brand new workbook or an existing file. Either will work the same. Give Excel a moment to load your ribbon and menus so everything you need is available. Next, head to the File menu and choose Options. This opens the Excel Options window where you control features and personalization. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal. Versions of Excel can vary slightly. The key is to find the Options area from the File menu, which is where feature toggles live. On some devices, you might see Settings instead of Options, but it serves the same purpose. Inside the Options window, look for the Copilot section in the left panel. Select it to reveal the Copilot controls. If you don't see a Copilot entry at all, it can mean your organization hasn't enabled it yet, your account type doesn't include it, or your Excel build needs an update. That's okay. Just continue once the Copilot option appears for you. With the Copilot settings visible, turn the feature on using the toggle. This activates the AI experiences in Excel so you can get help with formulas, data insights, and natural language prompts. After switching it on, you may notice a short loading moment as Excel prepares the feature. When Copilot is enabled, look back at the main Excel window and check the home ribbon. You should see a new Copilot icon there. It typically shows up on the right side of the ribbon along with other assistive tools. If you have custom ribbon layouts, it might appear in a group labeled Copilot or Insights. The important part is that the icon is present. That confirms the feature is active. Finally, click the Copilot icon to open the Copilot pane and start giving prompts. Speak or type naturally, like explain what this table shows, create a formula to remove duplicates, or summarize sales by region for the last quarter. Copilot understands plain language, and you can refine results by asking follow-up questions. Keep your workbook saved as you explore and try prompts directly related to the data in your sheet for the best results. That's it. You opened Excel, went to File and Options, selected Copilot, toggled it on, confirmed the icon on the home ribbon, and opened it to start prompting. You're now ready to speed up analysis and work more confidently with your data using Copilot in Excel.